Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about 3 Life touch switch water pump from Xiaomi. So, let's get started. The package boxing looks clean and minimal in white color, showing the product on the package front and back. I bought this product from the banggood.com for around 1200 rupees. So let's open the package and check what's inside. The components inside the box are water pump motor, which looks stylish, water pipe and a plastic knob, and a charging cable for charging the water pump. So let's get to the components one by one. The 3 Life touch switch water pump looks stylish and elegant. The weight of the water pump is 350 grams. The outer body of the water pump is made of plastic glass and stainless steel. Inside of the water pump, there is a silicon wafer micro central processor which is used for sending fast signals. The motor consists of 2 arc-shaped magnets and 3 sets of individual magnetic coils which works together to bring power thrust to pump out the water. The plastic material of this body is made of food grade material to avoid pollution. Overall, the water pump feels sturdy and looks stylish. Top of the water pump there is a glass covered, and inside there is a touch sensitivity button which works as a switch to pump out the water. There is a water outlet hole which is made of stainless steel and looks great. Bottom of the water pump there is a small inlet opening where you can connect pipe. Water pipe which is given in the box is made up of food grade material to avoid pollution, which happens occasionally in normal pipes. The length of the pipe is nearly enough for 25 to 30 liters of water can. The quality of the pipe is also pretty good in terms of thickness also. The plastic knob which is made to fit other side of the pipe, and it will be useful to avoid the water blockage at the end of the pipe. The plastic knob is also made of food grade material and its quality is really good. The charging cable which is given in the box to charge the water pump is really good, but the length of this cable is short and that would be pretty inconvenient in some situations. The quality of the cable is fine. The water pump takes around 2 hours to complete charging. Once it's fully charged, it will give around 2 weeks of battery life. So now let's see how water pump placed on the bottle and on the water bottle and how it works. There is a special feature in this water pump. Once you switch on water pump, after 60 seconds, it will turn off automatically. This feature is available to stop excess water flow. So let's check it. To stop and start water pump, you need to just touch the button and it works really good. This water pump can pump out 1.5 liters of water in 60 seconds. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you like this kind of a content, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can do more content like this for you guys. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.